Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome back to our channel One to Step, and we are back with another brand new video for you guys. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can scan snap codes on Snapchat. So for those people who do not know what snap code is, to see your own snap code, you can click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. You can see my emoji looking thing. All right, click on it. And over here you can see right beside Abhinav Timla, you can see a little icon with dot on it. You can click on it. So this is what is called snap code, and anybody who scans this can add me as their Snapchat friend. They cannot add me, like a request is going to be sent to me, and whether I want to add them or not, that's in my hand. All right, so that's basically what the snap code means. So if you want to scan your friend's snap code, what you need to do is at the top of your screen you can see a person with a plus icon. As you guys can see, that's the section for adding friends. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, at the search bar over here where it says find friends, right beside that there's going to be a Snapchat logo right inside a box. All right, you want to click on that icon, and remember that the snap code needs to be under gallery. All right, if the snap code is not on your gallery, you cannot scan it. So once your gallery opens up, you need to select the snap code. After you select the snap code, Snapchat will automatically scan the picture. Once it scans it, whoever the snap code belongs to, that person is going to be added on your Snapchat. I mean, a friend request is going to be sent to that person. If he accepts, you're going to be added. If he declines, you're not going to be added. All right, so snap code is used to send friend request in Snapchat in a way. So yeah, that's how you guys can scan snap code on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye, until then, stay safe, peace out, and have a nice day everybody.